necessarily at the international stage. As you look at the starting 11 for Costa Rica this evening, and one of the staples is the man between. For Haiti tonight, they make 5 changes from their first matchup, including a keeper. Jose de Verger, a 25-year-old goalkeeper, will make his 7th appearance. October journey, and then into November when everything will be decided. We're ready to go. Great sights and sounds to come your way here tonight in the National Stadium of Costa Rica as Costa Rica and Haiti play for the bragging rights in Group C. Early challenge in the middle of the park there by Gallo. And this will be a fun one to see how these two teams organize themselves. The last several times that these two teams have met, two teams won. That was June 24th of 2019. But Costa Rica have won every match in World Cup qualifying. Good ball here. Ugalde throws it across. Vargas finishes. We don't even hit the 1-minute mark. And Kenneth Vargas has his 3rd goal for the country. Costa Rica lead 1-0. It is spectacular from Costa Rica in the passing, but it is this giveaway, the overplay by Gallo, and a chance to ride this ball forward. You see the flag staying down, and it is Gallo that ends up being the man that finishes this one off. It starts with this takeaway by Vargas, who sprints into space. Ugalde gives it right back to him, and plenty of time there for Vargas to finish. Knocked down by Ugalde. There's time and space on this right side. It is Mora. Mora darts to his right, cuts back. Mora hooks. It bangs the left bar after a ricochet. You see it again here. It's the switch of field that sets up Carlos Mora. He digs to his right, comes back left, and you see it take that ricochet off of the captain, Aprè. This will be a really good angle of this. And you can see de Verger is playing in a playoff tournament to try to add to the tickets punched by CONCACAF teams. Vargas crosses. Not a decisive clearance. Mora mashes! How about de Verger? Country, and here's a better look at it coming right at you with such great pace. Mora hitting that one really well. And when you look at de Verger, he represented the country at the youth. Haiti coming into this one, they have not won a match since they went on that very long winning streak from June to the middle of this year. Vargas bends it back. Martinez crushes it. Take another look at this. It's a great turn by Vargas against Lacroix. And then Martinez, the time to settle. But de Verger has been on his game early. Nothing he could have done with the Vargas goal in the opening 60 seconds. And here is Vargas. Chips it over the top, flag staying down. Martinez rockets! Martinez torches the threads! Costa Rica have a second, and it's that man, the New York City star, Alonso Martinez. It starts with a brilliant pass from Vargas. Clearly onside between the two central defenders. Martinez doesn't let de Verger get comfortable, and Alonso Martinez finishes this one off. His 6th goal for Costa Rica. Makes it 2-0 for the Group C leaders. With a win here tonight, but 4 matches to go after this evening for all teams in the group. Another chance on the break. It is Martinez. Martinez is in behind. Martinez picks a spot. This one's blocked away by de Verger. Martinez, a second chance. Not done yet. Lays it up top. And the chance from Vargas. Another break. And it is brilliant from the midfield. The connectivity has been perfect. De Verger is doing everything he can to stop it. Haiti scrambling now. De Verger putting together a good shift. Has not been able to slam the door shut on some of these chances, however. Ade rolls it into the path of Jean-Jacques. Nazon Rolls it to the right side. Comes back as an outlet, but the ball goes towards the touchline. Cut back. Good initial touch. Shot attempt blocked in the end by Mora. A takedown in the box. Not enough. A dive. A dart. A shot. Bellegarde. You see it again here. It's a good opportunity from Providence. Mora steps in front, however. And there is your first half whistle. It started out with a flurry. Women's World Cup final referee back in 2023. As the second half gets started, quickly off to the races goes Costa Rica. Costa Rica in the red and blue kits. All white tonight for Haiti. But unable to find the space there. Mora comes back. Gamboa had it for a moment. Providence recovers. Bellegarde looks for space. Arcus has it. Good ball in. It's a good initial touch. Coming back to get that ball was Arcus, but he goes down. See that there. That's a really good look at it from Joseph Mora. And now we are going to take a look at the VAR here. And I think Tori Penzo is going to have a choice to make here. And she has made one very fast. And indeed, she gives the penalty. Standing up and ready. Nazon, blast. Nava saves. Nazon gets the second ball and scores. But you see that ball just roll right back out to Nazon. Only 3 goals scored by Haiti in its last 5 matches, including losing 5-1 to Curacao at the end of the last round of World Cup qualifiers. Here's a bicycle kick! Oh my goodness! Duckens Nazon with as good a goal as you're going to see all year! In traffic! Oh my goodness! This is breathtaking! Look at where he's at when he hits this! How does he even find that ball and the quality to strike it with that kind of venom? Oh, wow! It takes your breath away every time you watch it. That is scintillating. Anticipating being in a position like this. Time. They were feeling extra confident. Quick toss. Alcacer in. Gets an angle. Blocked away by Ane. A 2-0 halftime deficit. But Costa Rica are probing in the last 5. Mora crosses off of the back. And you can see his reaction. Don't believe that he was anticipating that ball falling to his backside. In each of the last 3. And now Haiti finally get another chance to break the lines. And here they have been unstoppable in the second half. Hard hit smash. Start of the night on the bench. He will not end the night there. We thought Navas got a piece of that. Let's see from this angle if it shows anything more definitive. Actually, it didn't. 2-0 was the lead at halftime. Vargas and Martinez in the first half. But Nazon's 2 goals in 3 minutes in the second half, including the worldie of a bicycle kick in the 58th minute. And here goes Haiti in transition as they look for their first lead of the night. Lucius gets an angle, cuts it across. Delightful pass and the lead. A hat trick. Duckens Nazon. A second half hat trick. Scorches the strings. Haiti from 2-0 down have flipped the script and lead 3-2. It's a brilliant run from Lucius, but a delightful pass Look at Lucius, able to take the contact. And how about Lacroix? Oh, it is magnificent, and Haiti are having fun in half two. And no chance for Navas. Who could have possibly seen this happen? A fixture that has been filled with defensive slugfests has turned into Haiti not just taking the lead, but moving to the top of the group with Honduras. Into the box, back post, flag stays down. Juan Pablo Vargas has tied it up. What a service this is. Vargas makes the run. Duverger cannot keep it out. Just a delightful service from Ugalde. And one of the least likely men to score on the field. Brand right next to each other. Who wants it? Lassiter laces into a defender, gets it back, caught up in the boots. Haiti sweep it out. How much more time will be left? That ball goes out of play. And that is the full-time whistle. A wild one in San Jose ends with a point apiece tonight. Costa Rica's 2-0 lead at the break